All right, my last video of the day, unless somebody jumps out there and gives me a question, which I certainly hope they do. Okay, we're going to graph a circle from its standard equation. So here's our equation. Now, this is where you can certainly use a website like Desmos, but I hope very quickly you wouldn't need to. But we're going to do the first one on Desmos, and then I don't think we'll need the rest of them. So we're going to type in the exact equation just as it's written. There's nothing complicated about how to type it in. You can literally write it in just exactly how it's written. Very convenient and easy to do. Okay, so here's my circle. Now, the key is recognizing where my center is. My center is the point -7, +5. Because that's what these numbers did. We discussed this in the last video. It's sliding the circle 7 units to the left and 5 units up. Now, what's the radius? Well, the radius is 2. So that means it's going to go through the point -5, 5. That's going to be right on the circle because this distance is 2. Where's the 2 come from? Remember, it's Pythagorean's theorem, so it's the square root. It's what squared gives me this number. So when we go back over here, you're going to move the center to -7, 5. And then the radius is already 1. You're going to make the radius 2. So -7, 5, radius of 2. Okay, so we're going to go left 5. It does the opposite of what you think. When you're adding, it actually slides it because it's what makes it 0. So it actually goes, you would think maybe right, but it's going left. And then down 2. And again, we're going to have a radius of 2. So it's at 1. Now we're at 2. All right, the x is not moving. We're not moving left or right. We didn't add anything. We're going up 5. And now we have a radius of 5. The square root of 25 is 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gives us a radius of 5 and a center of 0, 5. Last one. Left 1, up 1. Left 1, up 1. Now our radius will be 8. The square root of 64 is 8. We're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a radius of 8, a center at -1, 1. All right, equations of circles. I think they're, again, fairly straightforward, but always ask questions, and have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.